So many traders lose money while trading, not because they don't know how to trade, but because their strategy is not very reliable. Now I'm going to show you one trading rule that has been proven by many traders to work on different markets, including gold. Now at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a live backtest of this strategy where you're going to learn how to quickly implement it in just this small video. Now let's dive in. You have heard it as we started this video. It is the break and retest. Now what does this actually mean? We have these two levels right here. This upper level or the upper line is resistance, and this level is called support. Now this is what happens. Watch how this happens. Price comes from this down level down here. Price ascends and breaks this level, then retests it, then keeps on going up, then eventually reaches this level, sometimes consolidates a little while, then going back to this same level right here, and then breaks above this level and retests it again. Now this happens over a series of times, which marks up the uptrend, right? As you have seen, we have a lower low, an upper low here, upper high, upper low, upper high. This is the depiction of an uptrend where we are seeing the break and retest. We have the break of this zone, which is resistance by the moment price is under it. Then when it breaks it, resistance turns to support. Price comes back and retests support, and then goes up again, meets a newfound resistance, retest, it rebounds here and goes back to this minor zone right here, as you can see. Then price descends down, retests it, then goes up again, breaks this resistance, turning it into support. This is a bullish market, and what we can see in a bearish market, price starts from above the level. It breaks this level of support, and support turns into resistance. Price comes to this level of resistance and then goes down, breaking another new support right here. Price could come and then retest this level again, breaking the major support down here and turns it into resistance. Then price keeps doing this over a series of lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, this is a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price keeps on doing this over and over again, breaking and retesting levels. Now what does this actually look like in form of candles? As you have seen, I have made up a kind of nasty drawing right here, but you will be able to understand what I'm talking about. We have these three uptrend candles, or bullish candles, these green candles right here. Price opens from here and closes from here. Opens here, closes here, opens here, closes here. Now watch what happens at this candle. Price opens from under this level of resistance. Price breaks it and closes above resistance. This is what we call a break. Price breaks resistance, and then price comes back in a series of candles to retest resistance. Then when price retests resistance, price buyers enter at this key level of resistance, which has turned into support because it has been broken. Price drops to this level and then price comes up again. As you can see right here, this is what we call a break and retest in a bullish market, where price breaks a level of resistance, turns it into support, retests the support level, and then price prints a bullish candle as buyers enter, and then price keeps on going higher. Now in a bearish market, the same happens, but this is now bearish candles. As you can see right here, we have this candle that opens from here, closes here, opens here, closes here, the same to this candle. Watch what happens on this candle. Price opens above support, then closes below support. This is what we call a break of support. Then this level of support eventually turns into resistance. Price retests it as these green candles imprint. Opens here, closes here, opens here, closes here. Now watch what happens here. Price retests a new level of resistance, which was support but broken and turned into resistance. Then price prints a bigger candle, which is a bearish candle. This shows us that the sellers are now entering at this level. Now this is also a depiction of bearish break and retest. Now let's go to real markets to see how this rule actually works, as I'm going to walk you through a live backtest that I'm going to take on gold right now. So let's dive in. Okay, so now what we're looking up here, this is gold chart as of 17th October 2025 as the market closed. This is where the market closed on gold. Now I want to show you what happened. Today's Monday. I'm going to show you a move that I called here on Monday, as you can see. Now let's start by outlining our key levels. Now I trade on the 15 minutes time frame, and my strategy doesn't I don't usually check on other time frames, so I'm just going to show you on the 15 minutes time frame. But it's better to start from higher time frames to underline your key levels, but today I'm going to be showing you on the 15 minutes time frame respectively. As you have seen here, we have marked up a key level down here. This is the previous rejection that happened on Friday. The market rejected this level here, which was touched on multiple times here and here, as you can see, minor times, but then this is still a key level. So I adjusted it a little bit for you to see it better. Now this is another key level here. It was resistance. Price broke it, deeper retest into it, and then came up. Price again retested it here, broke it down, and then retested it again, forming an inverted head and shoulders pattern, as you have seen here. These are two shoulders, the head inverted, and then price could eventually go up. Now let's first underline our key levels, and we're gonna see what happens after we have underlined the key levels. Now upon seeing this, these are my main key levels that I was looking at this Monday as the market opened last night. So this is what I saw. The market was bearish on Friday, but then what is bearish? We broke this low right here. The market pushed down and then met this level right here. The market rejected it with this wick and price got up. Then price made a higher low right here, retesting this level. Now I could not enter this trade as we were going on a weekend, and I don't hold trades on weekends, so I had to wait for the next week to see a break of this level and retest of it, or a break of this level and retest of it. Then this is what I saw. The market opened on Monday, as today, Monday. Now this is what happened, Monday 20th. The market opened and imprinted this candle. As you can see, there is a gap in here which represents the market on the weekend. There was a gap, and this is what happened. The market opened and respected this level right here. It opened, retested this level here. Now I did not enter here because I did not get my confirmation of price action. I didn't see heavy buys, that's why I did not enter here. Now watch what happens. This was weak price action, I did not enter, and price actually kept on descending, going to these levels right here. So any level around here I could still take the buy, but if we broke under this level and closed under this wick, I could see that the market is still bearish and then consider to sell after a retest of this key level right here. Now let's see what happened. Now look at what just happened right here. The market retested this level here, marking up what? This is a double low formation. What does it mean? As of my previous video, I told you that double lows indicate that the market buyers are present in this market. Watch what is happening here. This low is actually higher than this low, which is a perfect double low, or a whammy if you would like to call it. This indicates that the market is still having some heavy buys. Now watch what happens. We have this key level right here, which was retested right here, and also here and here again. Let me just show you as I highlight this level here, and also it was retested here as multiple candles, retested here again. Now this is a key level, as we have the market respecting this key level over and over again. Then the market opened here, closed this candle right here. We did not enter, because if we would have entered right here, it was a Friday, of course I could not enter here. Then watch what happens here. The market retested this level after rebounding here, and then we got some crazy price action here. This was strong price action. If you had to enter, you could enter around here, but I did not enter because it was just 45 minutes before market close. Then I had to wait for Monday. What happened Monday? We had this level here. Price broke it and then retested it, but this retest did not have strong price action, so we waited for more confirmation. Now watch what happens here. Price kind of retest this level. We could highlight it as a box, as a rectangle for you to see it, because price, a key level is not just one line, it could be a series of pips covering up an area where price buyers could like to enter into the market. As we see here, price broke this level, did not retest this, it had a deeper retracement back into this level right here, and then guess what? We saw some strong price action. This is a signal that price buyers are already present in this market. What did we do? We entered a buy right here. It was Monday. We entered a buy and then targeted this key level right here. It was not a key level, but I wanted to get out at this level because I suspected that buyers could have some tricky plans of getting out from this level, and then sellers could try to make a retest to lower levels in here. Now you have seen me showing you the break and retest. Break of this level right here, retest it, price action, but this was a Friday, so we waited for a deeper retracement on Monday here. A retest to this level after being broken here, retested, strong price action, and we entered right at this level. Now let's see what price has to offer. As you can see, price continued with more buyers coming in, but it was not yet done. Let's continue to see what price was about to show. As you can see, we had some consolidation right around here. We had this key level here of resistance, which was not permitting price to go even higher. Sellers were keeping on rejecting this level, and there was a fight or consolidation around here. And then price eventually came back to my risk. Now I was not scared because I had deeper confluence that this level right here showed the double top, double low, and strong price action, indicating buyers to be present. Now price came back into my risk. Let's keep on playing price to see what happens. As you can see right here, price made another kind of retest here, and then strong price action. As you can see, this blue candle right here, this is strong price action. I had a confluence that price is going to keep on going higher. Now let's see if we break this resistance here. Price was keeping on playing around, and finally we had this break of this level here. So now price broke resistance. What did this mean? Presence of buyers. What is about to happen? We could anticipate a retest of this level or this level right around here, this range of pips. Now let's see what happened. As you can see, price did not retest this level around here. Price kept on going up, but eventually price would come back to any level around here. As we see, we have this key level here, minor level, where price could want to retest. If you miss the bigger move, there's no reason to jump on. You just wait for confirmation and wait for price to come back to a level, then you enter after a retest and strong price action. Now this is what I was talking about. Watch what happens here. This is the level that was tested here, this here, and one more time here. Now price broke this level, then retested it around here, and then strong price action. But as for me, I could not enter here. I was holding trades since here, and then price kept on going further. Let's see if we hit this TP. Of course I did, but I was just recapping this trade for you to see what happened. Now eventually you see what just happened. Price quickly smashed my TP after observing what happened here. You see that the break and retest is valid. Now, as all trading strategies, do not try to play with your money. Don't joke with your accounts. First of all, backtest your trading strategy over and over again until you have mastered it and you have edge, and then you can go on to investing real capital into financial markets. Now this is it. This is the trading video. I hope that you have earned a lot. Now hang in there for some more videos coming, breaking down trades, recapping trades, and also giving you more information about how to trade. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you. Bob Millie signing out.